Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday, and our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of June is the lovely Shannon. She's provided us these 3 sketches to use in the month of June, and I just love that they are simple sketches, and the reason why is because you and I can put our own additional creative touch to our layouts and not feel like we have to follow it to the T. And what I mean about that is if you look at these sketches, it doesn't show the use of splatters, enamel dots, or brads or sequins, so you can add those additional touches to your layouts. You could also take some of your acrylic paints, your watercolor paints, your ink pads, and you can use the kissing technique on the background. I mean, it's just endless. You could get out some of your stencils and create some mixed media look to the background and add some texture by taking modeling paste, or you can just use your stencils and your ink pads. It's just endless. So don't just look at these sketches and say, oh, that's really simple. No, 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 no. It's a jumping off point. Yes, you don't have to just use one photograph. You could use 2, you could use 3. There's a lot of room for imagination, right? Okay, off to what I selected to use, products that I selected to use for Mini Kit Monday in the month of June. And I decided this month to stick with one collection, but add that little bit of pizzazz, and I'll go over that in just a minute. So first, I'm going to let you know that I am going to use the Cocoa Vanilla Sun Kiss collection, and I didn't get it all. I didn't go wild. I just got a little bit. And so I got the 6x8 papers, and they didn't come in a pad. They come loose, and they're single-sided. And I love them all except for the rainbow. I know there's several of you ladies that love the rainbows, but I don't. So anyway, that's just my taste. But I won't let it go to waste because I'll use the back for matting photographs. So that's the 6x8s. I did get this die cut pack. It has banners and rainbows and watermelons and oranges and clouds and sunglasses and drinks and a rainbow and a frame and a bathing suit and some word phrases. And I'm not going to take them out because I know that there are so many other ladies that have shared this collection. All right, and then I did get the foam title stickers, and they are like a yellow gold, and they're a little bit smaller than the normal. Normally they're like a 12x9 packaging, and this is more like a 5x6, which isn't nice to have something different. Then I got the clear sticker sheets. I love these. And of course it gives you those swatches. And that's what you can also do. You can get a paintbrush and create your own swatches in the background. I did get the puffy stickers. I really, really like the puffy stickers. Love, love, love. And I know you're getting kind of a glare, and I apologize. And then I got these sticker sheets where a quarter of the page is summer words like hey there, holiday. Well, not really holiday. Well, yeah, there's holidays in the summer. Weekend, feeling hot, hot, summer vibes, quality time, cheers, stay cool, sun kiss, no worries, smiles, 4 miles. So those are just some of the word phrases. And then you have some more stickers here. And then let's see, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the papers that I purchased. Or, whoops, I'm missing 10. So that's that side. So we got stars, and then we have the ombre, and I did get the opposite side because they are double-sided. So I'm going to flip it here, and that's what I got. I really, really like this paper collection. Now I'm going to flip it, and that's the opposite side. Now, like on this one, I only got one, you can tell, of that because I do not like that side. This side here, let me flip it around, has cut aparts that you could use, and I'll re-show the front, but I love this yellow flower with the centers have orange and an aqua mint and a reddish pink with the leaves in blue. I love it. They brought in all the colors within this collection. I love that paper. There's that ombre I love. I love that flower paper. I also love, love, love this side, and I'm afraid I will be using that side. And it may not get used this month with these layouts. I love this. And the hearts, and then, so I got two of those. All right. So that's my papers, and my stickers, and my puffies, and my clear, and my shiny, and my ephemera die cuts, and the 6x6. Now you're anxious to see the photographs that I selected. Here we go. So I've got my little guy getting ready to get on his four-wheeler and our little miniature dash hound, and he's like looking back at me like, can I go? Can I go? And so that's really funny. I like that. And then I have this photograph of myself with my daughter-in-law, my granddaughter, and then, of course, my little guy. And this was at Thanksgiving, but look at the bright colors. So I'm using the summer collection for this. And we were at a indoor race type track. It was really, really cool. Then I have my beautiful rose bush. This photograph was from the summer of 2020. And then I selected another photograph. Where is it? There's another one that I'm going to challenge myself right here. Okay, I knew. And then this is a fishing trip that my husband, his younger brother, his friend, then my dad, and one of his old time friend, Kenny, they all went on a trip to Alaska. I want to document this and challenge myself to use this fun summer because this trip was in the summertime in the month of July. And I think it was the year 2013 or 12. I've got to go back and look. As you can tell, there is no date here in the corner. I have not trimmed this photo, and I cannot read the print here on the back. But I do know that I have my photographs. I keep them in a box by year order, so I just need to go back to that box. All right. Be sure to check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies that are playing along this month. I will have their links listed below. We also have a Facebook group site if you would like to come check out all the members and what they create. And then not only that, you can be entered in to win a curated kit from us or a gift card. And that is left up to the individual Mini Kit Monday ladies when they are the host for the month, what they would like to do. So anyway, what you do is you snap a photograph of your layout, you upload it, of your kit, your Mini Kit Monday kit, and then you upload it to the June album, and that gives you one entry, and then you get 3 more entries for 3 layouts that you create. You can create more layouts and post them, and that's a-okay, but you're only going to get 4 entries in total, 1 for your kit and 3 for layouts. All right, now for the finishing pizzazz touches to my layouts, I am going to bring in some mixed media. I will use some sprays and inks, and I will use some of my sequence, and this is the one that I'll use. And I have all the colors here that are represented in this kit. So I have some orange and yellow, and then a combination of yellow, greens, and then I have some aqua and rose gold, and then that beautiful green is their glitter. So I have this little box of sequins. That's how I store my sequins. I may bring in some washi tape. And my inks are right next to me to the left. Can you hear that? I don't even have to. That's as far as I reach my hand. As soon as you don't see the shadow, see right there? And then I touch my little place with all my inks that I can grab and add some splatters. All right. I hope that you play along. I will have all the links listed below in the description box. That's to the Mini Kit Monday ladies and our Facebook group site. All right, we'll see you next time. Keep coming back and give us a thumbs up. Bye.